Today we got the Inateck Sling Bag. It's a nice sleek bag in a nice box right here. Not soft material, but nice overall print, which you guys don't really matter because we're just going to open the box and check it out. Alright, so here we go. We got the sling bag nicely packaged in a plastic bag. Here's first impressions of the bag. The nice faux leather. Got an Inateck logo right here. It's very nice. Good zippers. I'm going to assume YYK. Looks like a solid zipper structure as well. Got a little lanyard in the front pocket for your keys or something you want to tether and make sure it does not fall out at all. Secondary pocket where a lot of stuff is going to live. Maybe your phone, maybe your wallet, maybe some other stuff. Personally going to use the Osmo Pocket 3. This is basically going to be my camera bag and I guess bag for other things. I'm liking this right here, this design on the strap. So it's like it closes and open it. It's nice and sturdy so you can make the adjustments on the fly. And you close it to lock it up. All right, here the buckle. Buckle's a nice plastic buckle. It seems very firm. And then it comes with so it has a tougher zippers, YKK innovative. So yeah. Overall, first impressions are very good. Not gonna need this. This should hold up fairly well for my use case. And if you like it, hit that like button, all that jazz.